All right, so as I said before, I will demonstrate how well this thing runs in another video. You know, I'm going to have to cover my ears for now since I haven't figured out how to disable this thing. And then I will show you how it goes over objects and how cool it is and how everything runs. But yeah, it is a very, very, very cool toy device. It's better than a toy actually because of how well it runs. However, unfortunately, there's no button to disable the audio. Why they don't have a button to disable the audio is beyond me. This is the second tank-looking toy that has this problem, and I don't know. It's really not that hard to do. Little switch, little switch. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you love this tank as much as I do, and once it's fixed, it'll be even better. See you all in the next one. Take care.
Likey.